Friends, this is just a really quick video because I just ran my dishwasher and I was like, oh my gosh. This is a find that's going to save my family a lot of money and I wanted to share it with you guys. Well, I was at the Dollar General and I happened to stumble across these dishwasher packs, 35 count, found in the dollar spot at the Dollar General. Has to be Dollar General. Here they are. And I actually cracked one open in the store to show them to you. I did this on Friday. I bought them and I didn't really think of them. And then I used one this afternoon to wash some dishes. And this is totally identical to Cascade. I know that this item was found at the Dollar Tree I think it was late October, November, and it was impossible to find because I think once it was in stock, the couple ladies that talked about it on social media, well, they sent the rank and file to the store and there was nothing left. Why would you want to pay for Cascade, right? When you can get it for $1. So the story with these packs is that they are very, very similar, if not the same consistency to Cascade. I have been a user of Cascade for years and years, and I just ran my dishwasher and it was very similar. Here's the back. As you can see, they are made in China. If you flip your Cascade, they are a product of the USA, but I have no idea why they are so very, very similar. They don't smell of mold. They don't smell like they've been at the Dollar Tree forever. Some of them, I did inspect every single one of them. Some of them were, the gel pack was deflated, but for $1 for 35 of these, like absolutely. If you want to open up your Dollar General app and scan this barcode to see what is in stock, so you don't waste your time. But I would try and get out this weekend and at least buy one to test it out. Is this worth $1? Dishwasher tabs, trash bags. This is the sort of stuff I hate spending real money on, and we can't really get a lot of coupon deals lately on this. So just to show you a side-by-side, the one with the arrow is the one from Dollar General, so I got the 35 count for $1, and then the one on the right-hand side is a Cascade pod. There are some, if you really want to take a fine-tooth comb and look at the two, they are the exact same size. They do look a little bit different. And then flipping them on the back, there is a little bit of discoloration on the one on the left-hand side, the one from the Dollar General. But the one on the right also, they look very, very similar, and they wash very, very similar as well. We're a Cascade household, very brand loyal to this, and I was shocked how nicely it cleaned my dishes today. And I did a full load with one pod, and I was shocked, and I pulled all of them out, put them on like a psycho on a towel just to look at them, like, what is it? So one is the one with the Dawn, or like a dupe of the Dawn, and the other one is the lemon. So it's a nice mix and match of the two. Of the 35, two of them, some of the liquid had exploded or there was less of it, but that's okay. And then just to show you, kind of deflated a little bit, but the rest looked pristine. So I'm pretty excited by this. I only bought one because even for $1, I didn't want to like get 37 of them if I didn't like how they cleaned the dishes. I would recommend that you at least try one. I mean, just roll the dice and see if you like it or not, or if you think it's very similar to Cascade, but Cascade girly here, it's very similar. A 30 count of a very similar dishwasher tab found at Family Dollar. A 30 count is $12. $12 versus $1. If you might have this in store at your Dollar General dollar spot, by all means, go for it. And my little container of pods was running low, so I just threw them in. Would you know this came from the Dollar General, these pods? I don't think anyone would be the wiser, and it washes just as good. I'm pretty hyper by this. Let me know if you find these. I would try and find them this weekend, and how exciting is this score? Let me know if you guys give it a try and what your thoughts are on these pods. And if you're skeptical, maybe pass on it or just get one. But if it's anything like the last time this happened at the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General is going to get cleared of these very, very quickly. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.